Hi everyone, you are watching InfoVenue. I'm Abbas, and in this video, I'm going to have a candid discussion with Runjun Sharma. She is a consultant psychologist. She has done BA and MA in psychology, and we'll be talking about careers in psychology in this video. So, if you are looking forward to make a career in psychology, then this video is for you. So, even if you are in class 12, class 10, you're into your college graduation degree, so we'll cover everything related to psychology. So stay tuned and please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more informative and educational videos. So let's start. Hi Ranjan, how are you? Welcome to InfoVenue.
Hey, how are you? Thank you for inviting me over here. And
I'm fine.
yes,
Okay, Ranjan, thanks for giving your valuable time for this candid interview.
anytime. I think it's
So
a very
Ranjan,
noble
yeah,
cause to actually talk about careers because a lot of people get stuck. They feel like, okay, they feel directionless. So, if,
right, right.
through actually talking to experts, it actually helps students a lot.
Okay, Ranjan, you can introduce yourself to our audience.
Yes, so hello everybody. My name is Runjun Sharma, and I'm a counseling psychologist at Mind, Body, and Resolve. I'm also a consultant psychologist at a startup based out of Gurgaon, which is Bobble AI. And apart from counseling psychology, I also happen to do some sort of social work, such as being tied up with Teach for India, Recover, and all these little organizations. And also
Okay.
uh, so socially, like professionally, I'm a psychologist. Rest, when it comes to my hobbies, I love reading books, I love watching movies, and also I love talking to people. Yeah, that's about me.
Even I like doing the same. Okay, so Ranjan, nice to hear about your profile and what you are doing. So I'm making this video so that everyone can get something from this. So we'll start from the basics. So you can start with like what is psychology and what are the various branches disciplines in psychology.
Sure. So, in a very layman's language, and what everybody knows about psychology, it is just a scientific study of human behavior and mind. And also, basically, psychology has been in the research for about 150 years. It's still relatively a bit new subject as compared to other subjects, but it is the most important subject if you actually dig deeper
Yeah.
into it. And also it actually encompasses to a lot of biological, to a lot of social and emotional factors as to how people think, how people feel, how people act. And not just human beings, but also there are some different parts, career paths towards animal psychology as well, and therefore that's an amalgamation of what psychology is today. So that's the basic one. As to for you, for starters, just to actually how your mind and behavior, it all collaborates. Yeah.
राइट सो रुंजन इसमें डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस भी होती हैं तो उसके ऊपर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे साइकोलॉजी में.
Definitely. So, like we mentioned, like I told you something, and like we read normally also, psychology originally में बहुत से basic तीन या दो तीन थे, clinical psychology, counseling psychology, or maybe school psychology. And now, because it has got so much of research, it has got so much of emphasis, and therefore the research areas, the whole careers have changed a lot in terms of psychology. Okay, so so now the basic covers clinical psychology, you have counseling psychology, you have school psychology, now you have health psychology, you have forensic psychology, people have sports psychology and military psychology, educational psychology. You have the most fastest and the growing, relatively growing field, which is organizational psychology. And and many more. So this is like rehabilitation psychology, maybe we have developmental psychology, we have neuropsychology, we have experimental psychology. So psychology is basically everywhere, like you need a psychologist everywhere, which we'll discuss later also as to how we choose a career paths as well, because people think कि psychology मतलब counseling करना, psychology मतलब disorders treat karna. Even if you ask a student also कि okay, why do you want to become a psychologist, why psychology, they have only one common answer, and that is I like to talk to people, I like to understand people, I like to help people. That's the common things which people hear these days as to why people want to study psychology. But honestly, once you enter this field, it's more than that. But it's all about how deeply you want to know about a subject. That also matters.
Okay, so I would like to ask you, Ranjan, like what are the good colleges in India?
Right. Okay. So I honestly believe about colleges that it all depends on the person. I mean, I think it's what everybody says. Ki, okay, depends on a student as to how interested they are. But as to pertaining to only psychology, it is one subject where your own interest is extremely important. It's not like, okay, you just heard about disorders and you're like, okay, I want to know more about psychology. Psychology is more than just studying on disorders, right? So like you yourself as a psychology student, so you must be knowing that हमेशा यही नहीं होता है कि हाँ ठीक है लोगों की हेल्प करना ही साइकोलॉजी होती है. So it's extremely important कि whenever you choose a college, before choosing any college, you have to be sure about as to why you want to go for psychology. Where do you see yourself after 5 years down the line in psychology? That really matters a lot. Okay, and so therefore, whenever you choose psychology, there are 3 or 4 major reasons as to why people should go for this particular college, and that is maybe your accreditation. It should be like recognized by maybe UGC, University Grants Commission, or maybe it should be recognized by NAAC, or maybe like Government of India. So you've got these little accreditations under psychology, because you just not should go for like any random college, but any good known college. And also you need to check for placements as to how is your college contributing and helping you out in maybe placements. Even if placements are not available, maybe how teachers are putting value for you to actually apply this theoretical knowledge as into practical world. These things are extremely important. Then comes a teaching quality also. As to teachers, there are some teachers who are very passionate about the subject. They literally come and tell you about where's and how's and what's about the subject, and they teach you about things in detail. They focus on research oriented, and they just don't blabber and just teach you through PPTs. That is also you have to check for it. Okay, and the last thing comes is exposure. As to how is your college contributing you, helping you out and exposing you to maybe like international places, or maybe for different competitions, or maybe like pushing you to actually study more about that. For example, I was from Ahmed University, and in our college we had student exchange programs. We students actually, they promoted a lot of dramas in terms of psychology, as to they used to push us to actually celebrate some festivals related to psychology as a mental health, that way. So you have to check for that also, as to whether your college is actually providing you such exposures or not. But like I mentioned,
how was your experience at MET? I want an honest review.
Yes, in terms of psychology, curriculum was amazing. I would definitely give thumbs up for the curriculum, because it had covered a lot many aspects as to as compared to what people actually study in other colleges. We had all sort of exposures. We had studied a lot of different parts of psychology, like I mentioned before also. So yes, in that terms, we got good exposure. Teachers, every college has got different mixture, different personality of teachers. हमारे कॉलेज में भी कई टीचर्स ऐसे थे जो बहुत पैशनेट थी. They wanted to give their knowledge out to students, but there were some teachers who just came to the college, maybe like took attendance and they left. So there were teachers honestly who literally focused on the quality of assignments, and there were some teachers who literally focused on okay, what are the length of the assignments.
I think this
so
is
you
everywhere.
will get these teachers.
इस तरह का तो सब जगह
Yes, this is everywhere. Exactly. And I so what, I would be very honest with you. Whenever some teacher used to tell us okay, it has to be research oriented, she used to be strict with us, we kind of used to hate or maybe like have some grudges against this teacher okay, why is she being so fussy? And we used to kind of be very flexible and used to like those teachers who were like, okay beta, बस assignment करके दे दो on any random topic because they just wanted assignments. तो तब हमें सही लगता था कि हाँ ठीक है, easy है हमारे लिए. But now I grow up, I look back, I realize कि no, that was the most stupid thing, the stupid idea we used to have in college. It's very important if a teacher is actually after you to be research oriented, because you know, when you open any topic related to any field on Google or maybe psychology, you'll get random links which give you very trash knowledge. They don't give you the right knowledge. Especially we have got a lot of taboos and stigmas which is related to mental health, and therefore to get the right information it's not available. So just copying assignments to Wikipedia doesn't help you anywhere. I would suggest that okay, whenever your teacher is giving assignments, please go to researchers, open Google Scholars, have access to a number of researchers, because your teachers, they hold PhD, they hold they are research fellows. Okay, so you need to ask them, okay, what are the right websites, what are the right resources to which I can access to these researchers. So the more research oriented you are, the better you become a good psychologist, a good researcher as well. That way. So as to the colleges now, like you mentioned, like you asked about me, like you asked me about the colleges in India. So yes, for Amity, I would say for masters, yes, fine. It's a good college, but I would suggest you should definitely try for colleges such as Delhi University, LSR. You have JMC,
JMI,
you have Banaras
JMI you
University. Jamia also, it's amazing, and you've got KNC, which is Kamala Nehru College.
And
their faculty is really nice. We have Jai Hind College, which is from Bombay, so this is for BA programs. Then you have IP College for women. It's an amazing college, which is in Delhi.
Right.
You have Christ University in Bangalore. It's the best, one of the best colleges we have in our country. You have Sophia College in Mumbai. Ashoka University is something which is upcoming, and people, you should definitely go for Ashoka University because they've got good maintained labs and they mainly focus on research work. Then you have Mount Carmel in Bangalore, St. Xavier's in Bombay. You have for PG, you have TIS, Tata Institute of Social Sciences. You have Indian Institute of Psychology, which is a research part. You have got Ambedkar University also, which is in Delhi. So yes.
I think yes, universities बहुत सी हैं, मतलब आप अपनी स्टेट के हिसाब से भी देख सकते हो, लाइक अलग अलग स्टेट में जहाँ रहते हो आप, काफ़ी लोग क्योंकि देखते हैं कि पास में यूनिवर्सिटी मिले तो उसके हिसाब से भी देख सकते हैं.
डेफिनेटली ऑल्सो लाइक आई मेंशन कि स्टूडेंट में बहुत डिपेंड करता है कि आप साइकोलॉजी को कैसे इंटरेस्ट से देखते हो. Just telling you, okay, I have interest in psychology doesn't gonna fetch you anything. No matter how great you are in any college, no matter how amazing marks you're scoring, but the moment information not getting retained, if you're not applying it in a life, if you're not actually going in depths, because psychology, it's literally about what, when, how, why. You know, this is all about those kind of questions. You need to be inquisitive. You need to be passionate, because this field has got a lot. It has got immense things to offer. So you need to actually develop on, you need to work on your mindset also as to what exactly you want. You want a degree? Fine, go and fetch a degree. Fine, it's okay. But if you literally want to be a psychologist, yes, then you need to work on yourself. Colleges do matter, but to some extent.
ओके रंजन, सो अगर मैं बात करूँ साइकोलॉजी की एज अ करियर, तो उसका स्कोप कैसा है, मतलब आगे जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज या हायर एजुकेशन ऑप्शंस, उसके ऊपर आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
ओके, सो I personally am telling you my experience. I have struggled in finding a job because there are not a lot of job opportunities available in the country as of now. Now looking at a very present scenario as to situation after COVID, yes, people have become very much aware about mental health. People really want to actually focus on कैसे लोगों की mental health को improve कर पाए, especially into industrial psychology, industrial places, in corporates. They need psychologists because they want to actually focus on the well-being part of the employees as well, because if your employees are in good health, obviously you will have a greater good growth for your company as well.
Correct.
But this is something which is relatively getting famous. You know, it is getting acceptance. I am sure it is the place is nowhere. I mean, I'm sure there's we can actually feel that okay, we do have a lot of scope available, but in future. But अभी आप देखो तो people literally want to have an RCA licensed psychologist. You know, तो yes, अगर आप मास्टर्स आप मास्टर्स करते हो तो आपकी जो जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज होती है वो मे बी आउट ऑफ 100 you get 50% of it because people need RCA license.
Yeah, right.
Like you should know about it in our country. अभी तक सिर्फ जो अप्रूव्ड एक बोर्ड है दैट इज RCA, Rehabilitation Council of India.
Yeah.
And that is you get after you do your MPhil, or maybe you do a diploma course which is under RCA. So after that you get an RCA licensed. Now obviously clinical psychology is different, counseling is different, but हमारी country में अभी तक counselors के लिए there is no recognized board.
Yeah.
So here you can struggle a little bit because no matter how good skills you are, no matter you have chosen your field, but there might be places which will require you to go for RCA license. अभी तो ये status है, but then we still have a future where okay, counselors के लिए भी एक recognized board आ सकता है. And बाकी telling about scope, if you look at the other coin also, like I mentioned it to you previously, that okay, we have got immense careers, immense different career paths in psychology, in terms of people are getting a lot of jobs in industrial psychology. So if you're somebody who interests in getting into a corporate line, so yes, you should definitely go for organizational psychology, or maybe you do a counseling psychology and then you can apply to any corporate if they have any openings for that. Okay, number one, you also have a counseling psychology. So obviously after doing masters, there are a lot of companies who have openings for master level people also. So you can also apply for that as well. When it comes to salary, if you're expecting a lot in psychology, especially at early phase of life, then you need to check for that, because abhi tak you get people earn mainly between 2.5 to 3.5 lakhs per year, which is like maybe 18 to 25,000
as a fresher.
That's the
you are
range.
talking about?
As a fresher, yes, as a fresher, you might get between 15 to 20,000 also. That varies company to company. So that अभी struggle initially हो सकता है, especially when you just right after masters. That way, if you're applying to any place which is in corporate, so your salary can actually increase.
Yeah.
It depends. If you're applying in school psychology, so people also they do their masters and they directly apply to schools. So yes, schools have got great scopes because every school now it's getting compulsory for students to actually get a psychologist.
Right.
So yes, schools have got great courses. So obviously if you want to get into it, you want to probably get into child psychology. So yes, you can also easily get into a school.
And even मैंने एक चीज
And,
ये भी देखी है कि साइकोलॉजी में अगर आप अपना भी कुछ करते हैं, आजकल देखा हो कि ऑनलाइन लोग सेशंस भी लेते हैं, तो उसमें भी मैंने देखा है कि they can earn good amount of money.
Definitely. So like part of social media plays a very important role. So if you actually want recognition, maybe if you wanted, okay, you should be you should be known somewhere, so maybe you can like start with blogging also, or maybe talk about mental health issues, like the issues which you can talk about. I mean, there are people जिन्होंने bachelor's का रखा होता, but they still talk things about anxiety and depression. So if you one of them, so don't do that, because that is not allowed. That's not ethical. Okay, so you have to understand that okay, आपके अगर आपने BA कर रखा है and then you think okay, you can become a counselor, then it's a no, you should not go for it. And you should definitely go to a ethical part, which is bachelor's करने के बाद you go for masters करने के बाद you can either go for PG diploma courses, and there are a lot of courses available such as in Jamia, you can get in Amity, and a lot of colleges available. You can search online also.
Even in GD
But
Goenka, I
do not
think
rely
there is
on
one course, diploma.
GD Goenka also. Yeah, so you get a lot of courses available, but I would suggest do not rely on courses like you get on Coursera or maybe like Udemy. Don't go for that. It's not ethical. You can definitely you can go for knowledge purpose कि हाँ ठीक है extra knowledge मिल रही है सब्जेक्ट में, but अगर आप ये focus कर रहे हैं कि आप उसको करने के बाद आप थेरेपी ले सकते, then it's not fair. It's not ethical. And if you also there are a lot of people जो psychology करने के बाद they go for different workshops, and for example they go for a workshop of CBT, and they'll be like, okay, we are CBT practitioners. So you have to understand कि participation of under CBT and CBT practitioner is like a big different thing. So don't go for that. Okay, as to now career paths, you can get into health psychology. So maybe if you're somebody who is interested in health psychology, you can tie up with a lot of doctors, maybe like cardiologists, because cardiologists का heart से connection होता है. Hypertension, stress can contribute to heart attacks. So maybe you can also contribute with that. Nutrition, something you can think of. You can also think of how can a club, cardiology, maybe like heart and hypertensions, stress and nutrition in with psychology, with mental health. That is one career field. A lot of people are getting into marketing fields because marketing requires you to actually think of about people's needs. Because when you want to sell a product, you obviously have to understand कि आप जिसको sell कर रहे हो उनकी क्या psychology है, जिन target population को आप sell कर रहे हो उनका mindset क्या है, and it only comes if you're connected with people. Okay, so if you're somebody who's interested into like something different but something creative, you can definitely get into marketing field because it is actually getting huge. I also remember one of my somebody who actually through psychology, she went through social psychology, and social psychology करने के बाद she got into a research of an app development which is related to a dating app. So these days you can also think of some creative something like social psychology, because that is also creating immense popularity. So so social psychology is something where you study about, obviously study about people, you study about impact, you study about the impact which can be created among individuals, amongst the groups, you study about leaderships, you study about attitudes, you study about all these things. So social psychology is something which is gaining a lot of popularity. And then you can also go for military psychology. So आप जब किसी को recruit करते हो, especially a person who wants to get into army, any like defense, Air Force and all these places. So for that you need to have a right psychological mindset also. So a lot of people go for recruitments and research under military psychology. Then nowadays people are also gaining a lot of knowledge about neuropsychology, as to how your plasticity in terms of your brains work. So researchers is something which is immense. There's got a lot of scope into research. You can definitely go for that.
Even अगर आपको पढ़ाने का शौक है तो आप मास्टर्स के बाद PhD करके आप
you can take yes, you can do PhD. You can get into, you can also you can go for lectures, you can get into schools also after doing B.Ed in that way. And if you're somebody who wants to become you want to get into addictions, you want to study addictions, so after doing rehabilitation psychology, you can also get into psychiatric centers and rehabilitation centers. Yes, बेसिकली बैचलर्स करने के बाद मास्टर्स करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, एंड उसके बाद आप हमेशा एडिशनल कोर्सेज कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू समबडी हु रियली वांट्स टू गेट इनटू ट्रेनिंग and actually dealing with disorders on all these things, then you should definitely go for MPhil in psychology. So like I mentioned before also, there are a lot of recruitment areas such as rehabilitation psychology centers, you have psychological centers especially for research, then you have advertising industry also, you've got teaching, you've got welfare organizations, you've got child and youth guidance centers also, you got forensics, you got
NGOs में भी कर सकते हैं I think.
NGOs also. And basically 21st century will definitely undoubtedly witness an upsurge in job prospects and greater scopes in the field of psychology. The future definitely awaits such great heights in a career in psychology can bring. So money can be a little bit problematic initially, but then the value which you get, the happiness which you get after actually getting in this field is actually very nice. It's very satisfactory. So
You are helping
the feeling you
someone.
should go for. Helping also, and the knowledge which you get about a person, about a thing, the creative minded you get before after you enter the psychology is something amazing. So that is something you should also look forward to, other than money. Yes.
और एक ये भी क्वेश्चंस काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स पूछते हैं कि जैसे कि कोई किसी ने आर्ट्स से 12th करी है, किसी ने कॉमर्स से करी है, किसी ने साइंस से करी है, तो कौन कौन मतलब साइकोलॉजी में आ सकते हैं? तो साइंस का स्टूडेंट्स के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा ही है क्योंकि वो बायोलॉजी मतलब थोड़ी पढ़ते हैं तो उससे थोड़ा एक बेस होता है, लेकिन आर्ट्स एंड कॉमर्स वाले स्टूडेंट्स भी अगर आना चाहते हैं तो उसके ऊपर व्हाट यू वांट टू से?
Okay, so I was also a biology student. I had PCB in my 11th and 12th. But when I did my BA in psychology, I realized there's just one part which covers your biology, but पूरा cover नहीं करता है. So initially
right.
I did have a problem in actually understanding ki what exactly is, because I could see a lot of people had knowledge about psychology before because they had it in school, and therefore that was one part. But then it's not a problem at all. I mean, I know somebody who they were from pure commerce field. They did an MBA also, but then they started psychology again. So your school doesn't matter much, because everything starts afresh in college also. You study like a lot of things in college, so it doesn't matter when you actually think of doing it after your school. It's all about your interest level, that's it. But yes, probably, and I also know somebody who did their their bachelor in something else, and then they realized कि okay, I think I should try for psychology, and now they're like one of the most successful psychologists I know. So yes, your interest matters a lot, and that is something you really need to emphasize on.
एंड आई वांट टू ऐड इन दिस कि ऐसा भी होता है कई जगह बीएससी के नाम से कोर्स होता है, कहीं बीए होता है, तो मोस्टली मैंने देखा है कि बीए में जो है मतलब कि नॉन साइंस वाले भी कर सकते हैं, और बीएससी जो कोर्स होता है उसके अंदर साइंस ग्रेजुएट्स की एलिजिबिलिटी होती है, तो वो यू कैन चेक इन द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया जहाँ भी कॉलेज पे अप्लाई कर रहे हैं.
Okay, so so when it comes to curriculum, honestly, there's no difference. You study all the same things. A non-science background also studies biology in psychology. It's not like you don't. Brain is important when you study psychology. You study about your brains, your brain parts, and everything. So, be it a science or non-science student, we all study that. I had BA in psychology, but still I have studied science. I have studied biology. So it's just a degree name which changes, and especially in a country like India, a lot of parents want कि हमारा बच्चा science में जाए. So that is why people like, okay, I want to go for science because science में है, so that gets like more fascinating. But honestly,
ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस खुले
remains the same.
रहेंगे ऐसा मानते हैं पेरेंट्स.
But ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. Just because you're in arts doesn't mean कि options खुले नहीं है. I mean, now if you look around, there are greater opportunities and greater career scopes and career paths in commerce and arts as compared to other fields. So yes, you should not confuse with that. It's the same. The curriculum remains the same. It's just a name thing is there. That's about it. But a lot of colleges do only say, okay, we have BA in psychology. But honestly, psychology is not just like humanities. It's an amalgamation of science as well. Yeah.
ओके रुंजन, आई थिंक मैंने बहुत से क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं, तो एक लास्ट फाइनल क्वेश्चन जो मैं जिसे भी इनवाइट करता हूँ उनसे पूछता हूँ कि लास्ट आप कुछ टिप्स, कुछ एडवाइस देना चाहें ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो साइकोलॉजी में अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं.
Right. So I have a very basic tip. Only pursue psychology when you are like totally interested in. If you really want to get into it, and do not just do thing for degree purpose. If you're really into it, so show that passion. do a lot
Yeah.
of research also. And there's one
Right.
more thing, if you were actually going for, you know, a lot of psychology students, they
Mm-hmm.
they want to go for internships, and therefore they apply to big huge hospitals and all of that.
Mm-hmm.
Do not go for, okay, you're getting a certificate and you're like, okay, I have done my internship from this place. Go for a genuine clinic maybe, because you want to become a psychologist. You want to become a skilled psychologist, and not just a psychologist who's got a lot of fancy hospitals certifications and knowledge में ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. Okay, so you need to explore that also. Do not go for fancy huge names. Go for
Yeah.
maybe like small clinics, or maybe like people who actually pay you also, because they actually
Yeah.
make you do work.
Right.
So go for those things. Do not just focus on filling up a resume. It's more of like what value, what kind of value you're also putting into when you go for your practical knowledge and fields altogether.
Right.
And there's one tip which, because, and I gave this tip because I know I did the same mistake. I also used to go for fancy big hospitals. Okay, I got the certification, but now I look back, I'm like, okay, this did not help me much in building up my career in psychology. I still struggled because I did not know the basics properly in terms of how to put my knowledge practically, you know, that way. So you
I
have
have
to take care of
seen
that.
people, you know, they run for brands कि बड़े हॉस्पिटल से कर लो, मगर टैग लग जाएगा, चाहे उन्हें
Exactly.
इतना सीखने को ना मिले और पे भी नहीं मिले. तो उससे बेटर है स्टार्टअप्स में
Exactly.
ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. स्टार्टअप्स बहुत हैं आजकल
Startups, because
हेल्थ केयर की फील्ड
they
में.
actually make you do work. So startup companies are very conscious, very brand conscious. They don't
Yeah.
want they to get their brands to go haywire, and therefore they always make you do good amount of work. So definitely you should go for such companies who actually go for quality and not quantity, because these huge hospitals actually prefer to have, you know, 40 to 50 interns in one go. So you feel that, okay, I'm getting a fancy certification, but then it's not really helping you properly. But even if you have gone for one, I would suggest you should actually be regular contact with doctors, with their psychologists, so that they can guide you accordingly. Yeah, that's
I
about
think
it.
I think I'm done with all the questions, and thanks to Runjun, you have covered all the questions very nicely and smoothly.
Thank you so much. I hope people, viewers, gain maximum benefit out of this video. I really
Yeah.
hope that.
इन वीडियो का यही पर्पस होता है कि मतलब जो यंग एस्पिरेंट्स है जो आना चाहते हैं इस फील्ड के अंदर, उन्हें एक हेल्प मिल जाए, क्योंकि अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि स्टूडेंट्स को कोई बताने वाला नहीं होता, मतलब सही डायरेक्शन देने वाला नहीं होता. एंड यू आर इनटू दिस साइकोलॉजी फील्ड, सो आई थिंक आपसे बेहतर और कौन बता पाएगा. तो अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक रंजन फॉर गिविंग योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम एंड joining for this candid discussion.
Thank you for having me. Thank you so much. I hope you take a good care of yourself.
Thanks. And last, if you have liked this video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So Runjan, you can also say the same to the audience.
Yes, please do that. This person is really doing a lot of hard work in terms of educating you guys to actually know about different careers. So yes, please show some love and respect to this page.
Okay, thanks. Thanks, Runjan.
All right. Take care.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो जरूर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें. मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पर भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं. मैं पर्सनलाइज वन-ऑन-वन करियर गाइडेंस सेशंस भी कंडक्ट करता हूं. तो अगर आपको पर्सनलाइज काउंसलिंग चाहिए तो आप मेरे से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आप मुझे टेक्स्ट कर सकते हैं इंस्टाग्राम पर या व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.